This is a baler. During this time of year, you may notice these in fields. They're known as hay bales, more specifically, round bales, made by this implement known as a baler. After we swath and rake our hay, we drive the baler down the rows. The rolling picker picks up the hay, feeds it into the belts that roll it into a round bale. When the bale reaches the desired size, the baler wraps it and shoots it out. Be sure to check the bale's moisture with your probe so it doesn't spontaneously combust. This is Farm Stuff with Daryl.